Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with IberiaBank, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including income, expenses, and debts. Identify your sources of income and calculate your total monthly income. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Separate your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses remain the same each month, while variable expenses may fluctuate. Calculate your total monthly expenses by adding both fixed and variable costs. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your monthly cash flow. If expenses exceed income, identify areas where you can trim costs. Consider setting financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Open a budget account with IberiaBank to streamline your budgeting process. Set up an online banking profile for easy access to your account information. Utilize IberiaBank's budgeting tools that can help categorize your expenses automatically. Regularly input your expenses to track spending against your budget. Review your budget monthly to adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget as closely as possible. If unexpected expenses arise, revisit your budget to make necessary adjustments. Consider creating a sinking fund within your account for anticipated future expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and identify trends that may require further adjustments. Stay motivated by regularly checking your progress toward your financial goals. Communicate with IberiaBank's financial advisors for personalized assistance if needed. Reassess your budget quarterly to ensure it aligns with your goals and lifestyle changes. With consistent effort and the right tools, budgeting with IberiaBank can lead to financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.